students, in the previous video we discussed many problems based on the result what we derived in the previous video. So as I told you, let me continue with that problems only. So in this video I will discuss few more questions based on that the theory what we discussed, that is cos of x plus y, it may be cos of x minus y, it may be sin x plus y, sin x minus y, might it be tan 2x, cot 2x, whatever it may be. We will discuss few questions so that if any question comes in your exam or any entrance examination, you can able to face it with a ray of hopes, with that confidence. Okay, so let me begin with questions based on that results. Okay, let me start with the first problem of today's session. Prove that cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x divided by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x equal to cot 3x. This is a kind of problem. No way we people face problem in such problem is, if it is only 2, we don't have any choice. We will use cos x plus cos y. But here we have 3 terms. Which 2 makes us, or which 2 gives us a good idea, or which 2 gives me a path towards the solution, that we have to discuss. Suppose if I merge cos 3x plus cos 2x, cos x plus cos y, that is cos of x plus y, 3x plus 2x is 5x. 5x by 2, it will come in a point, that is decimal, 2.5. If I merge this, cos 4x plus cos 3x, you will get answer, that is 4x plus 3x, 7x by 2, 3.5. Yes. But what if I merge 4x plus 2x? It is 6x by 2 is 3x. It is giving me answer in a pure number. Okay, not all time I am saying that use this technique, because I want answer in pure number. See 3. I don't want 3.5. So based on this, I will use this particular method. See now, I will consider cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x whole divided by sin 4x sin 3x plus sin 2x. Am I right? Now what we will do here is, I will take these two terms together. That is cos 4x plus cos 2x. I will make this as a one group. I will leave this as this. Similarly, in the denominator, I will make what I will group in the numerator. It is sin 4x plus sin 2x plus sin 2x. Now what I will do is use cos x plus cos y. We all know cos x plus y. 2 cos x plus y by 2, that is 4x plus 2x, 6x. 6x by 2 is 3x. Then cos 4x minus 2x, 2x by 2 is x plus cos 2x divided by sin c plus sin x, or sin x plus sin y. 2 sin 4x plus 2, 6x, that is 3x cos. What do we do here? 4x minus 2x. 2x by 2 is x. Plus sin x. Now, if you check cos 3x in the numerator is common. 2 cos x plus 1 divided by denominator you have sin 3x common. 2 cos x plus 1. Yes. If you take numerator cos 3x, 2 cos x plus 1. If you take denominator sin 3x, 2 cos x plus 1. 2 cos x plus 1, 2 cos x plus 1. Cancel. Cos 3x divided by sin 3x as per the expectation. Cos 3x. Okay. So it is possible because of our right choice of the pair. I am not saying that all time use this method. Sometimes they expect answer in 3.5 or sometimes they expect answer in decimal or sometimes they want 7x by 2. In this case what do we do? 4x plus 3x, 7x by 2. Yes. So always check right hand side and as per this you proceed for your expectation. Wrong selection led to a lengthy path which is we won't want, right? Therefore, I have chosen these two as a pair and I worked systematic way and I got my final answer cos 3x. Okay, so with this I got answer for this particular question. Okay, let me begin with next question. We'll discuss another question. Prove that cot x cot 2x minus cot 2x cot 3x minus cot 3x cot x 1. See, in the previous video I solved almost one similar question. See here expectation. We want cot x cot 2x minus cot 2x cot 3x minus cot 3x cot x equal to 1. My expectation is my answer totally in terms of cot. No way tan over sin over cos. One more expectation is I want x, 2x, 3x. See here, everywhere you have x, 3x, 2x. There is no 4x, there is no square. We have x, 2x, 3x. So it pressurized me to think upon that. Is it possible to split? Yes. And I want answer in terms of cot. So what I will do here is I will write cot 3x, which is cot of 2x plus x. And we all know cot of x plus y result. We discussed in our previous videos. Cot x cot y minus 1 upon cot y plus cot x, that is cot 3x, right? Cross multiply now, which implies cot 3x times cot x plus cot cot 2x is equal to cot 2x plus cot x minus 1. Sorry, I am extremely sorry here. It is cot x into cot x. cot of x plus y is cot x into cot y minus 1 upon cot y plus cot x. Yes. So I am extremely sorry for this. It is into. Therefore, cot 2x into cot x minus 1. Now, what we will simply multiply cot 3x into cot x, cot 3x into cot 2x equal to cot 2x into cot x minus 1. So what we will do, I will bring all this term on this side. So you got cot x cot 2x, okay, bring this side, cot 2x cot 3x, bring this side, minus cot 3x cot x, shift on left hand side, plus 1, cot x cot 2x minus cot 2x cot 3x, yes, minus cot 3x cot x equal to shift on left hand side. So we got, as per our requirement, answer cot x cot 2x minus cot 2x cot 3x minus cot 3x cot x equal to 1. What we used, we have initially started with cot of x plus y, that is cot x cot y or cot y cot x minus 1 upon cot y plus cot x. Okay, this is the formula I have used. Then I have cross multiplied. I multiplied outer term with inner term. I simplified. I brought almost all similar term one side, and which is not similar I shift. Here almost they all are similar, so I brought it one side and I brought one on the left hand side, which is initially in the right hand side. So minus 1 become plus 1. So that's the answer for this particular question. Okay. So with this, if you know formulas, you can easily manage any kind of questions. Okay. Fine. Let me discuss another question. We have another interesting question. Prove that cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. So cos 4x, we need to prove 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. Left hand side is cos, right hand side is a mixing of sin and cos, with the number 8 is multiplied to that square of these two trigonometric functions. How to proceed? We have sin 2x, cos 2x, sin 3x, cos 3x. How to derive formula for 4x? We all know 4x can be written as twice of 2x. Same analogy or same method I will implement here so that we will get answer. Okay. So what we will do here is consider left hand side, that is cos 4x. I will write this is a cos of 2 times of 2x. Yes. Now we have many formulas. 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. Yes. 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. Therefore, what I can say here is, if you use any one formula out of this, it will help you a lot. Now what is my suggestion personally is, if I use this formula, I will get answer in a quicker step rather than this. Because sine, there is one formula in sine, that is sine 2x, where you will get 2 sine x cos x, both sine as well as cos you will get. And compared to this, it gives you answer in a quicker step. So therefore what I will do, I will bring this on left hand side. So this becomes 1 minus 2 sine square x is equal to, shift on right hand side, it becomes cos 2x. Therefore cos 2x answer is 1 minus 2 sine square x. But it looks like cos 2x. Yes, cos 2x. In place of x, what we have? 2x. Therefore, what is the answer? I'll write this as 1 minus 2 times of sine square of, in place of x, what we have? 2x. Hope so you understand. But it looks like cos of 2x. Cos 2x also is 1 minus 2 sine. If it is x, here also x. But in place of x, what we have? 2x. Therefore, therefore next step I will do 1 minus 2. I'll write this as a sine 2x d whole square. 1 minus 2 times of sine 2x can be written as 2 sine x cos x the whole square. Right? It is 1 minus 2 into 2 square, 4 sine square x into cos square x. Yes? Last step is 1 minus 4 to the 8 sine square x into cos square x. 1 minus 8 sine square x into cos square x. Got my point? So what I did, initially I have considered left hand side, then I wrote it as a twice of 2x, and I have two formula for cos 2x. That is 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x, 1 minus cos 2x 2 sin square x. I felt this is better at this stage because I want sin x cos x. So I applied here, I used this particular formula where x is 2x, then I took whole square, I used sin 2x formula, 2 sin x cos x. Then I squared it, 2 square is 4, sin square is, that is 2 square is 4, sin x square is sin square x, cos square x. Then I finally multiplied, I got answer. So if you know formulas, I'm stressing each and every time, if you know formulas perfectly, you can manage any kind of problem. Okay, so that's the solution of this particular problem. Okay. Let me take another problem. Prove that cos 6x is equal to 32 times cos raised to 6x minus 48 times cos raised to 4x plus 18 times cos square x minus 1. Another challenging question. Okay, I want cos 6x. I don't know about cos 6x formula directly. They want to say that cos 6x is that much huge. 32 times cos raised to 6x minus 48 times of cos raised to 4x plus 18 times of cos square x minus 1. What to do? I know only cos x formula, I know cos 2x formula, I know cos 3x formula. I need to work out for cos 6x. What is a better way? What I will do here is, I'll write cos 6x. Yes. I'll write this thing as cos of 2 times of 3x as I did in previous problem. 2 3s, 6. There I wrote 2 2s. Now what formula? Again I will write this thing. 1 plus cos 2x is Okay, 2 cos 2x. 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin 2x. It is better if we use this formula at this stage. Just to check, what I will do with this formula, what is cos 2x? Cos 2x is nothing but 2 cos square x minus 1. But in place of, if here be x, here also x. But in place of x, what you have? You have here 3x. Therefore, I will write cos 2x as 2 times of cos square of x place we have 3x minus 1. Okay. Then I will write 2 times of cos 3x the whole square minus 1. Am I right? Then I know cos 3x formula, that is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, its whole square minus 1. Hope you understand. Yes, I use cos 3x formula, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Now, which is equal to 2 times of, I use a minus b whole square. What is a minus b the whole square? A square, that is 4 cos cube x the whole square minus 2 times of a, 4 cos cube x, 2a into b, 3 cos x. Yes, 2ab plus b square. What is b square? 3 cos x d whole square. Yes, 3 cos x the whole square. What term left? Minus. See, check once again. I need to put one more bracket. A square minus 2ab plus b square. What term left? Minus 1. Yes, hope so you understand. Now rearrange this term. I will rub this thing. Hope so you understood this technique. Now in the next step, let me square it. 2 outside, 4 square 8. Cos cube of square is cos raised to 6x. 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24. That is minus 24 times cos raised to cos cube x into cos x. Cos raised to 4x plus 3 square 9. 9 cos square x, close the bracket, minus 1. So multiply 16 cos raised to 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. But I want in answer, that is, I did one silly mistake. I'm extremely sorry. 4 square is, I wrote here 8. I'm extremely sorry for that. That is 16. Okay, 4 square is 16. So 16 twos are is 32. Okay, I'm extremely sorry. 4 square is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. Cos raised to 6x. 2 24 the 48. Cos raised to 4x. 2 9 is the 18. Cos square x outside term minus 1. I guess we got that destination. 32 cos raised to 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. So with this we proved that cos 6x is nothing but 32 cos raised to 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. So I did a silly mistake here. That is okay, just take care of this. That is 16. 16 to the 32. With this we got answer in a very simplest form. So what we did, we split it in a twice of 3x, then we wrote 2 cos square x minus 1 formula, then we wrote cos 3x the whole square minus 1, then we applied cos 3x formula, that is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, then we applied a minus b the whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square outer term minus 1 Then we did 4 square 16 cos raised to 6x, 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24 cos raised to 4x plus 3 square is 9 cos square x minus 1, 16 to the 32 cos raised to 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4x plus 2 9s are 18 cos square x minus 1. So with this we got cos 6x answer as 32 cos raised to 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. Okay, so that's it from this particular problem. So hope so you really understood this particular problem. So like this, they may ask any kind of question. It's a problem from your exercise. So like this, you have a question, just take care of such thing in that particular way. Okay. So only thing is you should know cos 2x, cos 3x formula perfect. If you know, you can manage n number of ideas based on it. Okay. So let me discuss another question. We have another question. Find the value of tan pi by 8. Find the value of tan pi by 8. See, such question really needs our logic. It is not possible to guess answer. Okay. We all know tan pi by 2, tan pi by 3, pi by 4, pi by 6. When it comes somewhat special angles like pi by 8, pi by 12, how to proceed? Then let me explain in this video. One thing I will tell you, if I forget tan, I'll get pi by 8. So what is pi by 8? Approximately, it is 3.14 divided by 8. 3.14 divided by 8 means approximately it is 0 point something. So 0 point something means it will come in a first quadrant between 0 to 90 only. Or if you take 180 by 8, it will obviously come in a first quadrant only. Now, how to justify this answer? Because if you observe here, 2 4s are 290 are. Okay. Then 2 2s are 245 are. So 45 by 2 means, as 45 will come in first quadrant, 45 by 2 will come obviously in a first quadrant only. So tan pi by 8 will come in first quadrant. Just you keep in mind. Now, how to find its value? See, what we will do here is let x equal to pi by 8. Okay, which implies what is 2 times of x? 2 times of x is nothing but 2 times of pi by 8. Yes. What is 2 times of pi by 8? Pi by 4. Why I am doing this? What is the use in solving this particular problem is, we know that tan 2x is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Yes. Now, which implies tan of, what is 2x? 2x is pi by 4 equal to 2 times of x is what? Pi by 8. It is 2 times of tan pi by 8. Yes. Upon 1 minus, what is x? Pi by 8. Tan square pi by 8. You may ask the question again, we come to tan pi by 8. We have one solution to that, which implies tan pi by 4 is 45 degrees. 1. So 1 equal to 2 tan pi by 8. Okay. Upon 1 minus tan square pi by 8. Now, what to do with this expression? We'll call this as equation 1. Because I'm about to solve tan pi by 8, or I'm about to find tan pi by 8. Again, I expect between tan pi by 2. So what I will do? Put tan pi by 8 value as 1. Put tan pi by 2 value as 1. Now what will happen? Therefore, equation 1 becomes 1 equal to 2 times of, I have considered this particular tan pi by 8 as 1, 2y, upon 1 minus tan square pi by 8 can be written as tan pi by 8 the whole square. So it becomes 1 minus y square. I guess you got a bit few why I am doing like this. Now cross multiply. You got 1 minus y square equal to 2y. Bring this side. It becomes y square plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. Yes? And you know how to find quadratic equation solution. It is nothing but y equal to minus b. It is ax square plus bx. So minus b plus or minus square root of b square. Okay, minus 4 ac upon 2a, that is 2. So y equal to minus 2 plus or minus 4, minus become plus 4 upon 2. So we got y equal to minus 2 plus or minus root 8 upon 2. Next, this becomes minus 2 plus or minus 4 2s are, means it is 2 root 2 upon 2. Y equal to, if I take 2 common in the numerator, minus 1 plus or minus root 2 upon 2. 2 get cancelled. Y has 2 answers, minus 1 plus or minus root 2. That is, I can say y one answer is minus 1 plus root 2, or y one more answer is minus 1 minus root 2. But what is y equal to? Y is nothing but tan pi by 8, right? What is my aim? My aim is to find value of tan pi by 8, which is in front of me. But which value I need to choose? I can rewrite minus 1 plus root 2 as root 2 minus 1. Root 2, if you check it in a calculator, it is somewhat 1.14. 1.14 minus 1 is 0.41. That is positive. But this is completely negative answer. And I told in the beginning only, pi by 8 will come in a first quadrant only. In the first quadrant, according to ESTC rule, tan is positive. So I will neglect this answer because it gives me negative answer. Therefore, as y is tan pi by 8, therefore tan pi by 8 answer is root 2 minus 1. Why I am neglecting this? Because it gives me negative answer. Tan pi by 8 will come in a first quadrant. Therefore, tan pi by 8 assume positive answer. Therefore, its answer is root 2 minus 1. You need to mention that reason. As pi by 8 will come in first quadrant, therefore in first quadrant tan is positive. Therefore, I am neglecting minus 1 minus root 2. Hence, tan pi by 8 answer is root 2 minus 1. What my point? So in this way we got tan pi by 8. So they are all called as spatial angles. So similarly you can work it for sin pi by 8, cos pi by 8 also, but method is changed. Instead of tan to x you need to apply somewhat different formula. But they are all called as spatial angle. For this you need bit patience. Okay, in first second only you won't get answer in this case. Okay, this is from this particular problem. Let me discuss one more question and that of today's session. Okay. We'll discuss last question of today's session. One interesting question I want to discuss. Prove that cos square x plus cos square x plus pi by 3 plus cos square x minus pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. This is a question we want answer, and that answer is 3 by 2. One speciality is that inside all terms are cos only. The thing is, first angle is x, second angle is x plus pi by 3, third angle is x minus pi by 3. We know that cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Yes. And make use of this result in proving this particular. So I will consider first left hand side. Cos square x plus cos square x plus pi by 3 plus cos square x minus pi by 3. Okay, I'll write this thing as down equal to, okay, because I need a huge space to prove this particular result. I'm writing down. So cos square x is nothing but 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Yes. So I wrote answer for this. Now in this expression again it is cos square only, but in place of x what we have? X plus pi by 2. So what I will do? It becomes 1 plus cos 2 into, in place of x you have x plus pi by 2. Hope so you understand. Okay, upon 2 subtract. Third, again cos square only, but in place of x what we have? X minus pi by 2. It is 1 plus cos 2 times of x minus pi by 3 upon 2. If you observe 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, okay, it is nothing but 3 times of 1 by 2. It is 3 by 2. Yes. Therefore, plus you left with cos 2x, okay, by 2 Here you already consider this for, it is cos of, you multiply 2x plus 2 pi by 3 divided by 2 plus you already consider 1 by 2, it is cos of 2x minus 2 pi by 2 divided by 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, already you consider. Now next what I will do? 3 by 2, 2, 2, 2, LCM is same, so write cos 2x plus cos of 2x plus 2 pi by 3 plus cos of 2x minus 2 pi by 3 whole divided by, yes. Next is the step 3 by 2 plus, I'll write cos 2x as it is. I know cos of x plus y. What is cos of x plus y? This is x, this is y. It is cos x cos y, okay, minus sin x sin y, yes, plus I wrote cos of x plus y, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, and here cos of x minus y, cos x cos y, okay, as it is minus, so it becomes sin x sin y, yes. This is whole divided by, if you observe, this and this will cancel, yes, so I left with 3 by 2 plus cos 2x, okay, cos 2x cos 2 pi by 3, cos 2x cos 2 pi by 3, this is separate, right, cos 2x plus this term is same as this term, it is 2 times repeated, 2 times of cos 2x into cos 2 pi by 3 divided by, hope you understand. Now 3 by 2 plus cos 2x plus 2 times of cos 2x. I don't know answer for cos 2 pi by 3, but I know cos 2 pi by 3 can be written as cos of pi minus pi by 3. Hope so you understood. Just take 3 pi minus pi 2 pi, which is 3 by 2 plus cos 2x plus 2 times of cos 2x. Pi means 180. 180 means 2 into 90. 2 means function will remain function only. It is cos of pi by 3. Okay. 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta means second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is always negative according to ESTC. So this answer becomes minus. This answer becomes minus. Whole divided by 2. Therefore, this reply becomes 3 by 2 plus cos 2x, okay, plus into minus. It is not cos of minus theta. Already minus is outside. Plus into minus, minus 2 into cos 2x, cos of pi by 3. Cos of pi by 3 means 180 by 360. What is cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2, right? Whole divided by 2. So 2 get cancelled. You left with cos 2x minus cos 2x. Cos 2x minus cos 2x is 0. 0 by 2 is 0. 3 by 2 plus 0 is 3 by 2. I guess that is expected. Yes. What I did, I have taken plus into minus minus 2 cos 2x. Then I applied cos pi by 3 answer. Cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. 2 cancel. You left with cos 2x minus cos 2x. Cos 2x minus cos 2x is 0. 0 by 2 is 0. 3 by 2 plus 0 is 3 by 2. So we begin with this particular result. Slowly we drag into LCM. Then we applied in between cos of x plus y result here. Cos of x minus y result. Then we cancel term. Then we wrote systematically. Then we find answer for cos 2 pi by 3. That is by splitting 180 minus pi by 3. And I know pi means 180. 2 times of 90. 2 is even number. Even means function will remain function only. Cos of pi by 3. 180 minus theta means second quadrant. In second quadrant, according to HTC, cos is negative. So cos is negative means I wrote negative here. So plus into minus minus 2 times of cos 2x. Cos pi by 3 answer is 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. Cos 2x minus cos 2x 0. 0 by 2 is 0. 0 plus 3 by 2, 3 by 2, which is our expectation. So with this, we prove this problem in a systematic way. All you need is formulas. Right from sin 2x, cos 2x, tan 2x, sin 3x, cos 3x, 2 cos square x, 1 plus cos 2x, 2 sin square x, 1 minus cos 2x, tan 2x, everything you know. Sin 2x, 2 sin x cos x, tan 2x, 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. All these formulas you need. If you follow these, you can solve any kind of problem without copying anything. Okay, first 1-2 step, you may confuse, you may face difficulty, but once you have a strong willpower or once you have a credit of formulas with you, you can solve n number of problems confidently. So the solution is in front of you. So in exam also, solve in a systematic way. If you solve systematic way, you can solve any kind of problems. Okay, so this is enough in this video. So as I told, this may be the last part, but I solved some extra questions. So I will come with the last part in upcoming video. This trigonometric equation. In that I will discuss with you principal solution. Okay. If I discuss that principal solution, mean your trigonometric chapter comes to an end. And once trigonometry comes to an end, I will start with the MCQs questions of JEE. Okay, of previous year's question paper, and some questions we will discuss which may appear, okay, which appeared in IIT exams. That we will discuss on trigonometry. Once I finish my this theory chapter, let me begin MCQ. So last concept that I will discuss it in an upcoming video. Till then, take care. Thank you. Take care of all these concepts. Thank you very much.